I'm slaving. It's no fun. Oh, and I'm old. And that has got exciting angles. Because she's so messed up.
Look at all that snow.
Look at all that snow.
That's so incredible.
That's so incredible. You got to get us a picture of you against this stuff.
Hey, yeah. Hi, Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Oh, you cutie. Hi, Darby.
They're the sweet puppies. But what we have over here is you can see how deep it is. Yes. Oh, she's going potty. My bad. Oh, this is how it is. I see. My goodness, look how deep that is for real, though. My stars, that's something else. And today, I had to dig out the pickup and look at all the snow, and this isn't anything. It was completely filled up with snow. This is very much melted out compared to what it was just. Oh, I'm an idiot. And poor Carly's car, we tried to get it out, but we can't get it unstuck. You can see that we made a dent in the snow there, but I'll have to just dig it out by hand because it's too close to the rubble pile that we have here to get her done. So, trying to thaw out. There's my pretty baby again. She's so very pretty.
I like to throw snow.
Yeah, it's scary. And there's our pretty dogs. There's Gingy. Gingy! There's my black dog.
Hi, Bobby.